다 드린데 뭐람기 의시 니마 당보대네 고주세네 아니 나니기 순주를 저 아까담이 계시셔 보도엔 제베 로종 실럽리 뮤기 지자임래.
Today, on this first main day of the actual Munlam, we will have the teaching on the great Kadampa spiritual master Potoa's long soliloquy, continuing the teachings where we left them off from last year.
제라다 까담비에 이 로저 실럽이全삼디 레이어스 페이지 넘버 4는 레이어스 페이지 넘버 4도 가두래 페이지 넘버 4 그래.
So the spot we have come to is in the English translation. It is on the bottom of page 3 of the file the PDF file you can download from the internet.
다들만 지금 연상 정도. 去年七个月吧，新都切不了，真的了，落马落囊，去不的啊。 年当我是在第是推嘛说嘛，大家呢结巴门的，第来水第通水，趁的了落马路呢，全部的从些，提我什么上就过说呢，你们顺序都咁讲，每家他们把开着没，但那做什么这垃圾给讲，但那他个全年人不是这样，基本认定他什么说不赢。
So it reads, if you do not turn your mind away from this life, you may be able to explain everything found in Dharma texts or enter the gate or the Mahayana secret mantra and practice unified non-duality, but you will not be any different from an ordinary lay person.
되나? 그래. 대야, 천들로 로로네 7만 송도 동네기 집에 최체바디 기부 충무인데 대라 대규래 집에 최를 집에서 민도 지대시나 계시질라 잠도 심게 라서베 천대 휴네 치 계시텔라 그네 법인 미세로와 법인 전에 미 차옹냠네 상왔다.
So from the second paragraph on page 3, for this reason, Lord Atisha, summing up the essential meaning of all the scriptures, taught the 3 types of persons, the lesser, middling, and greater. Among those, the lesser type of person turns their mind away from this life and practices the Dharma from fear of the lower realms in the next life. But there is no way to bring people to develop within themselves even the qualities of a lesser person. This is because people make a dharma connection with such as refuge or bodhicitta with a spiritual friend, but later they will not call him their master out of respect. They think that if they call him their master, others will criticize them, so they keep it secret.
다들 가르쳐서나 조지 허지기 좋은 디범 가래기 아니면 대뇌 탐지기 배 님부 뒤네 and 기부를 링 타순 게 냠내 순 뒤네 소이 말레스.
And so what this says is that Atisha Dipamkara crystallized the meaning or coalesced the meaning of all the scriptures and taught it in the form of the three types of individual, the lesser, medium, and greater.
다디나네 기부 충태라 다 기부를 니 타숨 쓰주사네 코랑 최냠린 챙겐텔라 아니베 추제세난도 코랑 내세디 아니 토아지다 되는 증어지다 마지 수며.
When we say the greater, middling, and lesser individuals, then this means that the level of the Dharma that they're able to practice, their level is either high, middling, or low.
디나네 최냠린 챙겨 좀 마셔텔이야 세시 컨데지 코랑기 가수에다 자기야로 가르창 오르잖아. 에네 치망 예송 그 동에기 인직네 최칭예지 된지 있는 거예요.
And so to be the lowest type of practitioner, what is the level that one must come to? What facilities or what features must one have? One must have a fear one must practice with a fear of falling into the lower realms in one's next life.
다디 최칭예기 최냠린 챙긴기 지시 마셔디 디샤디아르스 이나 팅상 지시 마셔텔레 랭게 시라민도스.
And so this is the lowest level of a Dharma practitioner. And yet these days there are very few people who even reach this lowest level.
텔라야 치망 예송 동에 인지고라 예송 동에 탱고래 예송 동에게 동에 마제나 센디라 로로버시 용고 말해 예송 동에 템바섬기장 미쳐봐 렌데레 이시 깨네 다지 레 ndidabuji sabina ngesondo gesare le ndidabuji sabina ngesondo gesa mare sambarabut ndijigi ngesheji geu.
In order to fear the sufferings of the lower realms in future lifetimes, you have to remember the sufferings of the lower realms. If you do not recall the sufferings of the lower realms, you will not be able to turn your mind away from this lifetime. But just remembering the sufferings of the lower realms itself is not enough. You also have to have a deep belief in karmic cause and effect. You must have the certainty of knowing, if I do this sort of karma, then I will be, this sort of action, then I will be born in the lower realms. If I do that sort of action, I will not.
이나야 팅상 렌제 레 균제긴 조당 시에서는 장도 야나 렌제 사디 그지 이미지 칼라칸서 하 거나야 렌제레 오늘전에 이체네 렌제라 빵랑 수시 챙긴 민도스 되네 인주산에 디고라 가수에 le digwa de kora pala chushi ma je biche digwa sa kyang gewala nang chung tang kyang de biche de chen cha de ta simjen cho ma sa ba simjen de da ge ba ngem ba re so.
But there are very few people who know how karma works. How karmic cause and effects work. There are very few people who understand karma and its results. Even if people were to believe in them, they do not practice them properly. They do not do what they should and give up what they ought to give up. They're unable to give up wrong actions, and because they accumulate many wrong actions, they do not practice virtuous actions. These type of individuals are said to be people who have not gathered the accumulations or who have lesser fortune.
지단 팅상기 최박하시 담보 계획 신인질이야 아직 잠주슈 안다는 신기 전주 선배 동바드 슈 되네 치수 계획 신인 되라 지 가수에 디종리 지 소소리아 지 세당 회라 소바 지 천디기 소소로 고야다 쿠구디즈 게시디 종리 야보 마토비미나 안다 딩이 아니 게시디다 예 로빈이 스그민도스 데 가르레스 제윤주스안에 게시 제윤주스안에 다 그저 로빈이 있을람나 아니 로빈이 교랑을 로빈이 툭 주바래 제가 교랑 담념을 해지지 미신다기 차례게 그래 참여지 그래 삼네 당에 로빈 민스 아니 미신다 지금 엄마 교랑디 라마델 로빈 템바임바 라마 템바임바스 게시 TV는 다도 우주시제 그랑 엄마 템바임바스 게시 TV나 가르스도선 오 녜엄마 교산 잠도 심게지마도 간슈메 데레드 로빈 민스 라고도스
So these days, some people, some practitioners will go to a spiritual master. They request the refuge in bodhisattva vows. Then later, when they do not get the food or the clothing or the supplies or things they need for this life from that master, then they're unwilling to say that he is their master. And the reason for this is that if they say, this is my master, and yet they do not get what they wish for from that master, then they are afraid that others will criticize him for being their master. So they keep it secret, and they say, he's not my master. But then if someone presses them and says, well, this is a master you followed, isn't he your master? Then they will reply, I've only taken refuge in bodhicitta from him. He's not really my master.
예, 다디 슝 보도에 가르치는사나 현식이 대표에게 로빈 미남잖아. 녜텔라 잠도 심게지를 머슈세레. 잠도 심게 최탐지기 자와인데 마고인비 견신도체. 녜니全真 虚제了. 치그레 잠라 윤대리니베
So what Master Potoa says about this is, if someone asks them, isn't that your master? They reply, I only took refuge in bodhicitta with him. This is failing to understand that refuge and bodhicitta are the root of the entire Dharma, so it is an extremely grave fault. I have found qualities in every word spoken by those from whom I have received Dharma. The only thought that has occurred to me is that I could never buy it for money.
다디베 니 가수에 하장게 양아와 니제외 계지지레스. 가르에서나 지 겸도 셈게디 최탐지가 자와레스. 디 최탐지가 자와 최탐지가 닝부인바 하마고와디 괜찮으시라레스. 가르에서나 니 겸도 셈게지마도 쉬메 제상 아니 잠도 심게지마도 쉬메랍디스다네 잠도 심게디 지금 최민동도르지 기지 시에야데 야보 말았어.
And so this is an extremely frightful and extremely pitiable thing to say. The reason is because refuge and bodhicitta are like the root of all the Dharma. They're the foundation or the essence of all the Dharma. And not understanding this is a grave fault. So when we say, oh, I only took refuge and bodhisattva vows from them, then this is like saying that these aren't Dharma. And so this is extremely grave fault.
양 가시기 라메 군준 추슈도 가르쳐줬잖아. 녜 교랑자는 최슈인스. 이나 녜 교랑자는 최슈송 제제 밀라 짠에 시 닝금메스다. 밀라 짠에 시 닝금메. 녜나 교랑가 밀라 시기 미스 나지 게로치스. 다 군조 숨라고 해나 가르라고 해나 다 나지 게로치스. 야나지 페퍼 감이야. 슈구간 쓰인도 잡지. 교랑 예산 최슈송스 내 러브 means to say 지 야로치 지네 신이 내 최슈고 인생인데 노스 다디소 계산님만가도 두줄이야 라마다 로멘 제바데 니지 유레샤스 양하고야 지레샤스
These days, also what some students do is they go to a master and they say to the master, I'd like to take Dharma teachings, but you must not tell anyone else. You have to promise, you have to take an oath that you're not going to tell anyone else. I don't know, do you have to take the oath to the 3 jewels, I'm not going to tell the Dharma? Tell them that I taught you the Dharma? Or does the master need, maybe they say, tell the master, you have to sign this paper promising that you won't tell anyone that I've taken Dharma teachings from them. And only then will I take Dharma teachings from you. And so in these days, when we, during the time of the 5 degenerations, then this is a sign of really difficult connections between masters and disciples, and they are really worthy of compassion. It is really quite terrifying.
셰마도 최네 최 난신지 지기이나 최네 셰바 난신지 라렌 떨기이나 소소라 가르 개체와래 소소는 거네 전에 개체슈디 가르레슬라비나 라말레 개체지 어마스 계획신인 때한테 개체지 어마스.
Actually, if we are going to practice the Dharma as taught in the Dharma, if we are really truly going to practice it properly, what is it that is most important? In practicing the Dharma properly, there is nothing that is more important than the Guru. There is nothing that is more important than the spiritual master.
나마지 랭고 초나야 당엘디 나마디기 아바스레도 아마스레도 다나 신기 디디 나마디기 데벨루주 간레도 안 동바 가르쳐 간레도 상황 따지셔.
For example, in these days, when someone is looking for a bride, the first thing they look for is to find out, what is her father like? What are her parents like? What is her mother like? What is her past like? And so they first examine who she is.
다는 신경 아주 단답 중요해이네. 다 중요해이네. 다의 뉴스 당봉에 많이 걸어. 뒤다디 칼다. 솔다로. 나서 가서 솔다. 아니 다디 잡았다. 뉴는다. 다시 망보지하고 그랬어. 다시 망보체는 신이 녀고래서.
Or if we're buying a horse, before we buy the horse, we have to examine the horse well. We look at the mouth, we open it up to look at their teeth, to see if they have any illness. You look at the back, you look at the front. You examine the horse all over, and only then would you buy the horse.
라마스 단계의 신인세 아드 컨디션에 디 교환되는 순 정수 모두기 봐도 수수기 권다 잡 리기다고 도스차리요 드리차리요래 드리 인주산에 드리지기 교환의 체럽 탐지에도 배 권접 붕이 제된 게 드리지 이모시에 드리지기 라마지 세고 그래서
But with a guru or a spiritual master, what is it like? It is not just for this life. From this life onward, through every lifetime until we achieve great enlightenment, the guru or the master is our protector, our refuge, the lord of our families. So since we are looking for someone who will be our protector, guardian, and champion in this and all of our future lifetimes, we need to look carefully.
제상 라마 디 시두네 개심의 인자 디균선 되네 오늘 라마디 기부 담바지래 도면도 신이다 담바지래 도면도 리버 다신 제네 신네 겸내 슈거의 말에서
So because the guru is so extremely important, we should first examine carefully to find out whether that a guru truly is a great being, whether they truly have all the qualifications, and then only then should we ask them to be our refuge.
근데 맞으면서 당부 딱제 맞으면서 라마 미기 통제 지 라마 레스에 나외 퇴세 탐제리아 라마 이스 제 겸내 슈 애니 치즈 라메 로마 류니 아니 고고요 샤바 근데 막고 알았어 디 괜히 가르스타나 초진의 라메 괜 레디나 초진의 로마 라마텔 라말라베 로메 륜디에 체네 고 맞으면서 근데 그 토네 륜디에 체발을 때는 체비 교인이 말해서 근데 인도사 라마 상부 있는다 라마 냠바 있는다 간다 륜디에 체나 야부요 말해서 륜디에 치기요 말해서
But we don't do that. We first find a lama. We find a lama whom everyone can see, whom everyone hears about, who we hear about from everyone, and then we immediately ask them to be our refuge. And then these days, what happens is that many such lamas end up deceiving their students. This happens quite frequently. So whose fault is this? From one perspective, this is the guru's fault. But on the other hand, it is also the student who has had really unstable or deceptive faith in the guru. So whether or not the guru is a good guru or a bad guru, it is important that we have really really reliable and undeceiving faith in them.
Not blind faith.
We must not have blind faith in them.
다 구송토기 연대라 라마 친이들 때문에 구송토기 연대라 다신 제네 소소 이체바시 중나 근데 수익양 너도 매배 대받된 무엇이 계획했어
And so if we examine the qualities of the guru's body, speech, and mind well, then we can develop a faith that no one else will be able to block or stop.
텐데식 대바지 마게 봐도 당아 무규 공규에서 알아보다 나 라마 두구에서 알아보 다 되게 상황으로 주말에서
Until we develop such faith, when we say that we are meditating on devotion or that we are meditating upon the Guru, that is all false.
라마 담바지 라마 친이들 담바지는 두고 말해서 룸둑 가래서 다나 신공기 투지 심제는 미시바 시그 말해서
With a great being, it's difficult to achieve such a lama. It's very hard, no matter how much we try. And it's hard to find someone with such compassion.
What? Okay. 라메기 투지라 라메기 투지기 가주에다지 투제와 심 가져 투제에 다가를라 대지하시면 스타트 제시와 이거 다 라마 두바스도 컨제지스거라 라마 두바스야 거로와 다 라마 두바스도 라마 쳬바스야 라마 두바스야 드리고 라마 쳬바스야 쳬베 된다디 푸지 스거와 녜베 되는 고어스 쳬바스야 푸지세베 견다네 녜베 되고 다 라마 투게베 라마 친이다 덴바지 투게베기 다 쳬바도 가르에서는 돈바숨이 냠래차 라바숨이 냠래차 대임바레스
So when we say that we want to accomplish the Guru, accomplishing the Guru, this means that we need to offer to the Guru. The word offering is the word puja, and the meaning of the word puja is to please. So how is it that we can please or offer to an authentic guru? It is through the practice. What pleases the authentic guru is the practice of the three vows, the practice of the three trainings.
드네유다 베나 상아던 제비입니다. 라마디 징구르기 조라 메바체 원실이야 드시에요.
In terms of the secret mantra, then this is to imagine that the guru is the principal deity of the mandala and take the four empowerments.
다 딘산 라마 드버스 간데셰르스나 수수 랑수체니 규디네 셰자바들 뭐임 랑수체니 옴 베장구루 제제제제제제제제 소 옴아호스 봐 디버루텔이야 라마디 민디 쭉 para lamadi mil trashisen om benzan kur trashi aho sanuchi passe den dene di nyamba de ba karso sam dam nima takwar om benzan kur trashi aho je sadi dos dade lama duja je tu yebe ta tingo ares.
So these days, instead of accomplishing or practicing the guru, what we do is we make things up ourselves. We make up our own practices. And so we take a mantra and we go, Om Vajra Guru ... Om Ahom. And then in the middle we insert that guru's name. We say, Om Vajra Guru Tashi Om Ahom. And so then we go off to a retreat, we recite the mantra, we say Om Vajra Guru Tashi Ahom. And so forth. And this is a sign of this being really a bad guru.
Di garasorasna. But onetnegi lama de love goya de dombasuni nyamne, labasuni nyamne pa lumni, simgyun yuda so malabache. Ta ji sobut of the lama de shuyin sange yin and taji karsure. Ti 가서 이담이 있어야 되고 근데 그냥 럼 도지상의 이담다 지다 라면도 럼네 에너지 오늘은 심균 유답이 냠네 나지 말럽체 라면도 그냥 럼되나 나디 라마디 야보 가서 라마 야보 진 시에서 깔아가면서
This is because what the guru really should be teaching you is the practice of the three vows, the practice of the three trainings, the things that will actually tame your mind. But the Lama is not teaching that. Instead, it is an impostor or someone who says, you have to meditate upon the guru being a Buddha. You have to meditate upon the guru being the Yidam deity. You have to imagine that the guru is Vajradhara, practice of the guru being the Yidam deity or so forth. They don't teach you a single method that would actually train your own mind. They teach various other things. And it's difficult to say that such a Lama is good.
보도와 마스다. 보도와 얘기 라마 탐바 라마 천대 마도 베기 천대 머인 발라 최슈아 머뇽스 라마 천대 디주 군듀라 최 나직마도 슈메베이네 디슈제데 런규기 녀몽거 띵도 상황로 분규여 마도베 최데 칸의 셰바야 잠실라 샤메
And so Potoa says, I, Potoa, have only taken Dharma teachings from authentic gurus. I have not taken teachings from gurus who are not authentic. And all of those teachers from whom I have received these teachings, even if I have only received one or two words of teaching from them, I've gathered that all and I have directed that all against the afflictions within my being. And so we cannot leave the Dharma to be just something that we practice with our mouths.
Understanding, 디 규라 조르시아바지 거래 수수 심규라 주 가르쳐 루도 통계에 이제 잡아 소통 잡아 수수기 심규다 최딩이 봐도 잡아 소 규라 조르사가 고아데 컨디지라나 최는 송반은 신 라렌 따야데 규라 조르 고아데 되res.
So merely knowing the Dharma alone does not help. Just understanding the Dharma alone does not help. It doesn't help to just be able to say, this is this or that is that. Instead of merely being able to say things orally, we need to incorporate it into our beings. We need to mix it and we need to join it with our beings. We need to incorporate it inside ourselves. We need to make a connection between the Dharma and our own mind streams. And so when we say that we need to incorporate the Dharma into our beings, what this means is that we need to practice the Dharma as properly. And so we will leave it here this morning. And following this, we will recite the aspiration for the stages of the path. And after that, we will do a few moments of meditation.
아니 마땅베잖아 아니 우 마땅베잖아 데라 셈데 우 나동우베잖아 데라 셈데 마다야 미세기야 우 중급 제베 걸이야 지 미세고 우베 체동하는 우 당고가 우 아주 당당하라 제가 우 알아도 넘긴 당당하이 인도산에 다가랑게 토는마 가져야지 셈데
Now for meditation, please meditate on the breath. Just meditate upon following the breath as it goes in, as it goes out, and as you breathe in. There's no need to count the breath or anything like that. Just as you breathe out, then just rest your mind focusing on that. As you breathe in, rest your mind focusing on that. There's no need to make the breath bigger or emphasize the breath. You're always breathing just as naturally. And so just breathe naturally and then just let your mind relax and focus on that and rest in equipoise. The schedule says that we should meditate for 10 minutes, but today we will meditate for 5 minutes.
da di ju sani dala sem de na ga sa re u ju gum chita yo so ma re da dala sem de ni sani dala sem de ni di dung ni di da de la sem de ni gom na ga sa re.
So tomorrow it's better to focus on sound. It's not so good to work with the breath. Better to focus on sound. So tomorrow we will meditate with you focusing on the sound of this.